Do you know right now, while you're watching this video, someone just made $50 using nothing but their phone and a free AI tool. They did it from their couch, probably in their pajamas. No special skills, no college degree, just 2 hours of their weekend. Look, making money online isn't some magic trick, but thanks to artificial intelligence, it's become way easier than ever before. I'm not talking about getting rich overnight. I'm talking about real ways to earn extra cash that could pay for your weekend plans, help with your bills, or even grow into something bigger. Today I'm sharing 5 side hustles using AI that you can literally start this weekend. No fancy equipment, no investment, just you, your computer or phone, and some free time. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 realistic ways to start making money before Monday. Let's jump right in. Side hustle number 5, sell AI-generated art and designs. People are buying digital art like crazy right now. Posters, wall art, phone wallpapers, t-shirt designs. And you don't need to be an artist to create them anymore. Do you know how? Well, you will use just free AI tools like Canva's AI features or Leonardo AI. You type in something simple like create a motivational quote poster with mountains in the background. The AI creates a beautiful design in seconds. You can also create things like cute animal illustrations, abstract art, or trendy patterns. Once you have your designs, you upload them to print-on-demand websites like Redbubble or Printify. When someone buys a poster or t-shirt with your design, the website prints it and ships it. You don't touch anything, you just collect your money. You can earn anywhere from $2 to $10 per sale. Some people make $500 to $1,000 a month once they have a good collection of designs up there. The best part is that you create the design once, upload it, and it can sell forever. That's truly passive income working for you while you sleep. Side hustle number 4, AI video editing and short video creation. Short videos are everywhere. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Businesses and content creators need these videos, but editing takes time and skill. That's where AI makes your life super easy. Tools like CapCut have AI features that do the editing for you. Auto captions, background removal, smooth transitions, all done by AI in minutes. You can also use AI tools like Pictory or InVideo that turn text into complete videos with stock footage, music, and everything. Here's how you make money. Small businesses need short videos for their social media. A restaurant wants a 15-second video showing their new dish. A gym wants a quick promo video. You create these videos using AI tools, maybe add a little personal touch, and charge them $30 to $70 per video. If you make just 3 videos over a weekend, that's $100 to $200. Once you get fast at it, you can make 5 to 10 videos a day. Some people charge up to $150 for longer videos. Post your services on Fiverr or reach out to local businesses on Instagram. They need this content constantly. Side hustle number 3, create and sell AI chatbots for businesses. This sounds complicated, but it's actually super simple now. Many small businesses want a chatbot on their website to answer customer questions, but they think it's too expensive or too technical. You can create simple chatbots using free tools like Chatbase or ManyChat. These tools let you build a chatbot without any coding. You just type in common questions and answers. Like for a pizza shop, what are your hours? Do you deliver? What's on the menu? The AI learns and can answer customers automatically. You can charge businesses $100 to $300 to set up a basic chatbot for them. It takes you maybe 2 to 3 hours to set up using these AI tools. The business is happy because they're getting something that usually costs thousands of dollars. Start with very small local businesses. A salon, a small online store, a local service provider. Show them how a chatbot can answer questions even when they're sleeping or busy. Once you do a few of these, you can charge even more and offer monthly maintenance for an extra $50 to $100 a month. Side hustle number 2, AI-powered online course. Creation people want to learn new things. Cooking, fitness, photography, playing guitar, speaking a new language. If you know something, even just a little bit more than a complete beginner, you can create a simple online course and sell it. Here's where AI helps you. Use ChatGPT to help you organize your course into lessons. It can help you create quiz questions, write lesson descriptions, and even suggest what topics to cover. Then use Canva with AI to create nice-looking course slides and materials. You don't need to be an expert. Maybe you know how to make good coffee at home. Create a simple course called Coffee Making for Beginners. 5 short videos showing different methods. Price it at $20 to $40. Upload it to platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Even if you sell just 10 courses a month, that's $200 to $400. Some people sell hundreds of courses. The beautiful thing is, you create it once and it keeps making you money. One course could bring you thousands of dollars over time without you doing anything extra after it's created. Side hustle. Number 1. Become an AI tools consultant. Here's something most people don't think about. Regular people and small business owners hear about AI, but have no idea how to use it. They're confused and overwhelmed. You can help them and get paid for it. You learn a few AI tools really well. ChatGPT, Canva, maybe 1 or 2 more. Then you offer to teach people or businesses how to use these tools to save time. Maybe a real estate agent wants to know how to use AI to write property descriptions faster. Or a teacher wants to learn how to create lesson plans quickly. You charge $50 to $100 for a 1-hour session where you show them how to use AI tools for their specific needs. You can do this over Zoom from your bedroom. No need to travel anywhere. You can also create simple tutorial videos and sell them as mini courses for $10 to $20 each. Or offer monthly consulting where you help a business use AI tools and charge them $200 to $500 per month. This is brand new territory and not many people are doing it yet, so you can really stand out. So there you have it. 5 different ways to make money this weekend using AI. Each one is different. Each one is real. Pick the one that sounds most interesting to you and just start. Maybe you'll make $50 your first weekend, maybe more. The important thing is you're learning something new and putting money in your pocket at the same time. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more ways to make money online. Tell me in the comments which one you're going to try first. I actually read the comments and I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Now stop watching videos and go make that money.